Welcome everyone to HueFin. Today is December 29, 2019, where we trade different. And as well, we are your trusted source of news according to the price chart, to where we relinquish and focus on the price bars and the volume to give you all a heads up as to where we're expecting these cryptocurrencies to go. This is your first time watching our video, hit that subscribe button, like and share the video. Follow us on our other social media platforms on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, our website, HueFinancial.com. Check us out there. We also place a lot of our analysis, price forecasts in the market there on our website. So now we're going to talk about Litecoin and the expectation of this cryptocurrency actually hitting above $50 within 2020. This is the Litecoin price prediction from our last video, which was done on the 18th of December. Let me zoom in and let's talk about that real quick. And you guys can tell right here on the 18th of December, our expectations was for the market in Litecoin to move higher. And for one reason, as why we don't use stop losses, because these days right here from the 19th all the way until the 22nd, we would have gotten out from our forecast of Litecoin moving higher if we would have utilized stop losses, which henceforth would allow us to miss out on this 3.5% profit movement to the upside that we saw being played out on the 18th of December. So again, very profitable trade came through on the 23rd of December in Litecoin, hitting the ultimate area of our forecast price, 3.54% achieved on that forecast. So let's get rid of it. And now let's talk about what we're noticing into the market in Litecoin now. And this is it. The market in Litecoin is still showing that $44 is a very strong resistance area. We tried to break above it yesterday and we failed. We tried to break above it today and we're still showing indications of failure in Litecoin of breaking above $44. 2 days in a row consecutively is not a good sign in the least. When you look at Litecoin on the 4-hour chart, you can still tell that area is very strong in regards to resistance, and we're going to have to play the market that way. I mean, when you look at the price bars, there's no bias as to what the market is showing to us. When it's giving us weakness, we will express that to you. When it's giving us strength, we will tell you that it is giving us strength. 4-hour chart is giving us weakness. 3-hour bars is still giving us some indications of weakness, but that's not a necessarily bad thing. The market in Litecoin just needs to hold support right there around $42, $41.81, somewhere around that particular location is where the market in Litecoin needs to hold in order to see that movement to the upside continue. I mean, it's been a pretty good move though, all the way from the 27th of December all the way to today's date. We came and hit a resistance wall, that's all. And now the market needs to show us that it's actually going to hold support and not completely break down. Right now, it looks like the market is trying to hold support. 1-hour chart, again, with all that high volume on these two 1-hour bars, indicates that there was a major sell order come through at that $44 price. So now we need to sit back and let the market in Litecoin continue to absorb all of that selling in order to be convinced that this coin is going to continue to move higher and break above $44. Okay, now this area right here is trying to be support. If that's going to be the case, that's even positive into the market in Litecoin of seeing higher prices. Let's take a look at Litecoin on a weekly time frame real quick, and then I'll go ahead and let you all go. So now, looking at Litecoin on the weekly time frame is very positive to see us close above $42. Okay, the market in Litecoin on the 25th of November, the week of, and then the week of the 9th of December, held that location above support, $42. Here, the 16th of December, the market in Litecoin closed at $42.05. This week, we're closing above $42. So in the long term, we're definitely seeing some indication that $42 is trying to be held for support. Okay, the monthly time frame, you guys can tell that the volume has been on a decrease as we continue to see this market in Litecoin trade. That lets you know that we are running out of sellers into the market in Litecoin. So we can actually see a bounce in the long term for this cryptocurrency, which is way overdue. I mean, out of the last 5 months, there's only been one positive month in Litecoin. So we're going to play this one in Litecoin on the weekly time frame. Okay, we're going to play this, the market in Litecoin moving higher on a weekly basis. Okay, and we're playing it because how the market in Litecoin is telling us that that $42 level is support. So this forecast will stand as is until we see this market in Litecoin break below $42. Now, resistance though, like I just stated, is right here at $43.80, $44 give and take. That can also push this particular cryptocurrency back down to the downside. So that is the only thing that's in the way of this forecast of Litecoin moving higher. Okay, but we would TP the market in Litecoin around $45 to $46, which will be about 6.6% profit movement in that cryptocurrency in the long term. All right, so this is it. This is our new price forecast into the market in Litecoin from a weekly long-term perspective, looking for the market to move higher from where we're at. Let me push it back on the daily to make sure we're actually trading in range to where we're okay. We are. So weekly time frame, take a look at it now. Looking for the market in Litecoin to see some higher prices. This is very simple to see and easy to understand. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe to our channel before you leave. Questions, comments, let us know with a comment in the comment section of this video. Make sure you always maintain your profitability, and I will see you on the next one.